Hello, this is the Plantaholic. I thought today I'll show you a few of my houseplants I've got. This is a Christmas cactus, or a Schlumbergia, and this is about 40 years old. It was my partner's nan's and she gave it to us. And even though it's April, it's flowering again. It flowered at Christmas time, and it's very happy here. This plant stays in all year round. And it's next to a north facing window, but it seems to like it. It gets a bit of evening sun from this time of the year onwards, from through that window. Moving on, we've got a nice pineapple, ornamental one. I don't know which variety it is, but you can see that the fruit is starting to ripen now, which is good fun. I might try and put that outside if I've acclimatised it against the bright sunlight, but I'll have to gradually move it closer and closer to the window, and then into the conservatory, from the shaded part into the sun gradually, so that it doesn't get scorched by the sun, and then gradually move it in the shade outside in the garden before giving it more sun in the garden perhaps. Got a few begonias, gorgeous markings on this. You can see it's flowered as well with white flowers. Most of them have gone over now, although there is one starting to come out underneath. Got a begonia, Little Brother Montgomery. I love the silvery markings of the leaf. These can be put outside in the shade once the risk of frost has passed, and then brought back inside before the frost start up again in September, October. Beautiful begonia size Morier. It's got gorgeous jungly leaves. See the long filaments on the leaf, almost like eyelashes. Sort of a quilted appearance to the leaf, and the purple undersides too. Some Sansevierias, Mother's in Law's Tongue, and again those will probably go outside in the garden, same as for the pineapple. Got an Easter cactus there, which is looking good. It does have too much shade in here though, so it doesn't flower. I need to move it into a bit more light to encourage it to flower really, but it's looking quite good. Lovely bromeliad, a bit of a bromeliad freak. This one's called Echmea fasciata, or the urn plant. It's got lovely silver markings or striations under the leaf, and you can see that the classic bromeliad vase created by the leaf rosettes to collect rainwater. Many bromeliads grow as epiphytes on trees high up in the canopy. Some more beautiful Begonia rex cultivars. Gorgeous red colouring to the leaf. And I also love Dracaenas. This one's got a bit scorched, as you can see, by a bit of sunlight coming through the glass. But it'll grow out so that I can cut those off. And I love cordylines too, one of my favourite foliage plants. It looks great with that begonia. This is cordyline fruticosa tango. Beautiful. I'm planning to have 3 of those in a group next to some palms outside in semi-shade. A baby begonia, iron cross. Little palm there, Livistonia, rotundifolia, that one is. It's not looking great at the moment, it's been in the bathroom. Didn't seem to quite like it in there actually, so I've moved it here to see how well it does, but it's got a good growing point in the middle, so it'll get growing soon. A new palm on me I've got recently, well a few months ago, it's the hurricane palm. It's got reddish edges to the leaf, which is really nice. Likes high humidity and a sunny location, so I'll give that a go outside in the garden this year. I'm just looking for the label so I can tell you the Latin name. There you go. Dictyospermum. Another Cordula Dracaena, sorry, and Codeums. I'm going to put the Codeums outside once I've acclimatised them to the light too. Got some more here. A lovely Dracaena marginata, purpley and red leaves, and I'm gone a bit mad on bananas. Gone bananas on bananas, you could say. This one is a banana Raja Puri. It's supposed to be an edible fruiting banana with some cold hardness, although I wouldn't risk it outside. I think it's too tender. It's only a baby. And Bilbergia Fantasia. It's looking a bit poorly, but it's actually got some new growth at the base. It's looking quite good now. It has a bright yellow speckling to the foliage when it's grown well. In fact, this begonia that I showed you just now, it's actually this Musa, sorry, banana that I just showed you just now is actually Musa tropicana. This is the Raja Puri, just here. Got some Bismarckia nobilis palm seedlings coming up. They were only sown last year, and you can see the bluey silver leaf on it. So yeah, they're literally just over a year old from seed. I have to be very patient there to get a good palm from it. Those are just a few of the houseplants I've got in here at the moment. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.